On today's episode of T2S Good Life, the best of the mind, body, and soul, we are taking the time to recognize all the amazing mothers out there who day after day do what needs to be done to take care of their kids. Being a mother is not an easy task, but these amazing women get it done and make it look effortless. Today's episode is dedicated to giving these strong women a shout out and to let them know how much they are appreciated. For the nights they felt tired, for the days they didn't feel like getting out of bed, for the times they had to do everything alone and did so because they understood that they had someone who was depending on them. Thank you. Because of you, your kids feel protected. Because of women like you, your kids feel guided. Because of women like you, you have earned the unconditional love that people develop for who they consider their superhero. Every day should be a day of appreciation for these queens, because the title of a supermom simply falls short from their true identity. If you're watching this video and are a mother, we at T2S Good Life would like to not only wish you a happy Mother's Day, but we would like to give you a big hug and a thank you for all that you do and continue to do.